Okay, here we have the BOSCH AKE30. This is an X-grade product, so instead of being in a nice bright colourful box like this, just means it's been repackaged in a plain box like this one. So we'll have a look inside and I'll show you how easy it is to assemble. Still comes with a full warranty, and all of the parts inside are brand new, so it's not second hand, it's just repackaged. And inside there we've got the saw body itself, chain and bar cover, and then in here there should be instructions, good quality Oregon chain, and then a mains power lead with standard plug on it. Okay. There's a small quantity of chainsaw chain oil, a spanner and a retaining nut. Now all you do to assemble this machine is open the chain packet, open the loop out, and then thread it onto the bar. And it needs to be with the angle 2 facing forward. Just thread that into the bar. Tip the saw on its side like that. Thread it over the sprocket. Fit the side panel. And the retaining nut. And then with the spanner provided, tighten up the retaining nut. Okay, there's a change tensioning screw just there, so all you need to do is use a flat screwdriver to tension the chain until you can just pinch it just above the top of the bar. The package of oil that you get goes in this reservoir just here, so you just snip the corner off that, pour it in, and you've got a full level indicator on the back there. The saw has full kickback protection, which is operated on here. When you pull it back, that clicks it off, so you're ready to pull the trigger and you operate the saw. If the saw kicked back during use, this brake would knock forward and stop the chain from revolving. And that's it, that's the BOSCH AKE30 X-grade great value product from BOSCH Magic.